A Huawei smartphone sporting model code TNNANOO and believed to be the Enjoy 20s has received TENAA certification, revealing its full specs and images in the process. The TNNANOO is built around a 6.8 TFT display of Full HD Plus resolution with a punch hole in the upper left corner for the 16MP selfie camera. Around the back, the smartphone has a triple camera setup, which is a combination of 64MP, 8MP and 2MP units. Under the hood, the TNNANOO has an octa-core processor clocked at 2.0 GHz, which is said to be a part of the Dimensity 800 SoC. The smartphone will boot to Android 10 and come with 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB RAM. It will have 3 storage options, 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB. And there will also be a slot for an M card for storage expansion. The TNNANOO will feature a side-mounted fingerprint reader and support dual-mode 5G SAW NSA. It will be offered in black, green and blue colors, and powering the entire package will be a 4200 mAh battery. There's no word from Huawei about the Enjoy 20s yet, but last week we saw a couple of images of the Enjoy 20 and we might see both smartphones go official together in China soon.